What's up, riders? I'm here with the CSC RX4 because I wanted to show you some of the advantages of having aluminum Tourfella luggage. What I like about this rugged luggage is not only is it lockable, but it's easy to remove it. You can do that by hand by loosening the lock nuts, loosening the adjusters, turning them down, and simply pull it off. The top box is just as easy. Open it up, turn the adjuster, push it forward, and remove it. If you're purchasing a new RX4, the aluminum luggage is always an option as an upgrade. If you have an RX4 and you want to switch over from the resin luggage, the aluminum luggage and the racks come as a kit and are super easy to install. Check it out.